Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. However it is, mechiachia mo nyinaa sonko kwan so. We yɛ kwan a yɛbɛfa so a ebetumi ahwɛ yɛn results. Quick one. Yɛ abere a yɛmfa transflow no ndi dwuma. Ate aseɛ nti sɛ transflow no nso yɛntumi nya access to transflow no a kwan a yɛbɛfa so a ebetumi anya yɛn results no baako nie. Nti yɛn a yɛntumi nya Google account koraa mpo na ka mpɛ sɛ yɛtumi anya access to transflow no. Kwan no mu baako nie. First of all, wobɛpɛ browser machine no so ɛne sɛ wouse mobile phone, wouse anaasɛ wouse laptop. Me, I prefer Google. So I mabie Chrome. And so wopɛ follow me deɛ no pɛpɛpɛ a, go to App Store or Play Store to download Google Chrome. Afterwards, you follow me. Else, you just need to open another browser. So ebia na with different browser be your phone as well. Enya Google Chrome dia. Now person use no a. Bisa browser na your phone so no. Be no. Na type google.com. So type google.com and the bebe bia no. Ɛte sɛ deɛ mabie Google Chrome yi wɔ mayi so pɛpɛɛpɛ. Ate aseɛ. Sɛ type google.com a yɛbɛba benya either sɛ yɛbɛnya search engine bi sei anaasɛ yɛbɛba benya search engine bi sei. Yɛate aseɛ. Okay. So now deɛ yɛpɛ yɛ motive no nyɛ Google Chrome anaasɛ google.com ne hia yɛn. Yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ yɛn results. Before that no like na comment woyɛ a na wayɛ dɛ. Wahyɛ ama wo nua bi. Now next one, quick one. You type SIP, then you hit enter. So you type SIP. First one we hear, and one you run. See you write SIP in mouse. Hey, hooray! Now everything you do on the SIP web portal can be done on the new Transflow mobile app. Hey, now say you could download the Transflow app on them. But over here we are coming to get a workaround. There is a close button behind say. So we just need to click on what? The close button. After clicking on the close button, over here is your student mail and then this is your password. Student mail we try and say SIP dada no de ni etimi hwe your results dada no you better type as student mail no. So this is my student mail. Then this is my password. So after that, then you click on login. So this will logs you into the SIP system, of which the SIP system, the SIP system, it is the same thing. It has a database of you store information in data. The system now connected together. They work in hand. So after you click on horizontal bar mmiɛnsa wei yɛ wɔ ha yi ɔwɔ soro ha yi yɛbɛklike saa horizontal bar no so mewie a na yɛaba academic result sisi yɛaba academic result a yɛba abɛhwɛ recently results a aba yɛn level 400 results a aba yɛ STS sisi yɛhu sɛ STS baako koraa wɔ ma that means that the SIP is also working to let us view the results. Then we click on the academic results. So now the page is being loaded. So when the page loads, I see my details over here, and then I think everything is okay with that. Now, if measure I'm saying it to me, who say this is my STS 111 STS beginning teaching 1 3. So this is the results, and then who said now no who STS our SIP on so that means the SIP is also what linking to the Transflow database. They are all serving the same data. Therefore, we can use the SIP to access our information. Quick one. The SIP system is not reliable. It's not reliable in the sense data na wahano doesn't say authentic. Now say data is authentic. Whatever results you see at the SIP is the same thing that you see at the Transflow. Whatever you see on the SIP is the same thing that you see on the Transflow. But it is not reliable in the sense that maybe in 3 months later, on 4 months later, going When you search the SIP on the web, you will never see it again. I'm repeating myself. So yes, I type SIP now, maybe on 3 months later, and after 4 months later, now you SIP ni bi. Ati ase. A domain. Once a domain no be expire no, I don't think they are going to buy the domain again because they are using the Transflow. Ati ase. So for now, as at now, this is how you can view our results. But we are still working around to get you access to the Transflow service. So when we get to know the workarounds that will let you help you or that will get you access to your Transflow account, we will let you know about that. So thank you. Like and then share this video.